Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is meaningful. It is pronounced me-ning-ful and spelt M-E-A-N-I-N-G-F-U-L. Think meaning and then full with one L. Meaningful means having a purpose or significance. Important. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is valuable or holds a deeper significance. For example, you could say he had a meaningful conversation with his father, or she found the book to be meaningful and inspiring. The word meaningful comes from the Old English word mean, which means to mean or to signify. It was originally used to describe something that had a purpose or significance. In the movie The Lion King, the main character, Simba's journey to regain his rightful place as king and save his kingdom is meaningful and holds a deep significance for all of the animals in the kingdom. Synonyms for meaningful include important, significant, valuable, and purposeful. Antonyms for meaningful are meaningless, insignificant, trivial, and worthless. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, meaningful. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.